Thank you for joining me today at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training that is being done in Germany. Are you new in Germany? Are you a professional or non-professional and you don't know what to do? Then this videos and this channel is going to help you a lot. For someone who doesn't understand the language yet, please share with friends and families. It can help someone. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. Still on technology, the first area and the second area of specialization, the career paths 1 to 5 has been explained in previous videos. The videos are informative and educative. I will encourage you to go and watch them. In this video, I'll be discussing the sixth career path under the second area of specialization, and that is land on BAUMASCHINENMECHATRONIKER, MECHATRONIKERing. That's agricultural and construction machinery mechatronics technician. The duration is 3 years and 5 months. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training occupation. What do they do? Agricultural and mechatronics, agricultural construction machinery mechatronics engineer maintain vehicles, machine and equipment used in agriculture and forestry on construction sites. They diagnose faults in mechanical, hydraulic, and electrical machines by repairing them or replacing the relevant parts. They dismantle and assemble components and assemblies. They process workpieces manually and mechanically. They install, for example, milking systems. They put them into operation, they test them, and instruct the operators how to use them. They also equip agricultural and construction vehicles or machines with accessories and additional equipment. Where do they find employment? They find employment with manufacturers of agricultural and forestry machinery, as well as in companies that sell or rent out agricultural, forestry, or construction machinery. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate. Although if you don't have a certificate, the chances of getting in is only 1% that it's always been admitted. You need your Abschluss, your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife. That is your secondary school leaving diploma, your university qualification as well. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The seventh career path is Mechanikering für REIFEN und VULKANISATIONSTECHNIK. That is mechanic for tire and vulcanization technology. The first area of specialization in the seventh career path is FACHRICHTUNG, REIFEN und FAHRWERKTECHNIK. That is specialization in tire and chassis technology. The duration is 3 years and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training occupation. What do? They help at customers' requests. They equip vehicles with hard-on parts such as spoilers. They treat or repair tires, rims, and complete wheels. They also sell accessories such as snow chain or wheel trim tires and chassis. They maintain chassis technology. They check and repair. And they also specialize in rescue checks for errors and defects and assess brake systems on the wear pattern. What do? Also, they any repair that is necessary, they make sure it's been done on the chassis and the tire. Where do they find employment? They find employment in tire service stations, in motor vehicle repair shops, or for organization plants at tire dealers with repair and assembly services. Do you need a certificate? If you don't have a certificate, you are admitted. If you have a certificate, you're admitted. If you have other certificates, you are admitted as well. If you have your Abschluss or Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, if you have other certificates or you don't have certificates, you're admitted into this. If you have your secondary school leaving certificate or your university qualification, you are admitted into this career path. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The seventh career path, the second area of specialization, is FACHRICHTUNG Technique. That's a specialization for organization technology. The duration is 3 years. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. What do? They carry out repairs of tires. They check tubes and repair industrial conveyor belts and rubber items. They also provide and repair rubber linings. Where do they find employment? They find employment in vulcanization plant tire services station, where damaged tires need to be replaced or repaired. Do you need a certificate? If you don't have a certificate, you can go into this. If you have, you're admitted as well. But if you don't have a certificate, your chances of getting into this is high as well. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.